大家好，歡迎嚟到東廚房，我係東房小廚。Welcome to Asian Delights Kitchen, an Asian food recipe sharing and inspirational channel. Fall is approaching in Arizona, United States here. I thought this would be a good time to share with you on how to make 廣東靚湯, Cantonese slow-cooked beauty soup. Today I'm going to make Lotus Root Soup with pork bone and fish maw. It is nutritious, comforting, and healing savory slow-cooked soup. Slow-cooked soup plays an important part in Cantonese cuisine. It is prepared by simmering meat and other ingredients over low heat for several hours. Chinese herbs or medicine are often used as ingredients. Lotus root that harvests in fall is crunchy, providing umami flavor that makes it perfect for pork bone soup. I added wood air and fish maw to my version for extra collagen. If you don't have these ingredients, it's totally fine. Let's get started. For a flavorful taste, use the right amount of pork bones and lotus roots to a nice amount of water. I usually do the ratio of approximate 1:1 for the volume, or based on serving. For a 6-bowl serving, I use 6 bowls of water and then add 2 extra bowls for evaporation. It does not have to be precise. You can adjust the amount accordingly based on your preference. Each stove and pot we use is different. If the water happens to evaporate too much, please don't add any additional cold water during the cooking process. Add boiling water instead. Now a bowl of tasty and nutritious Lotus Root Soup with pork bone and fish maw is done. It is perfect for fall or any time of the year. Try this comforting Cantonese soup at home. Serve it hot and enjoy with your loved ones. I hope you enjoy watching my video today. Give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button for more delicious recipes. Thank you. See you next time.